In this video, I will show you how to send large files on Discord without paying for a Nitro subscription. We all know that Discord has strict limits on file sizes for free users, which can be very frustrating when you want to share high-quality videos or large project folders with your friends. One of the best ways to bypass this limit is by using a reliable third-party cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Simply upload your large file to your chosen cloud platform and then generate a shareable link. Make sure you set the permissions so that anyone with the link can view or download the file. Once you have that link copied, you can simply paste it directly into your Discord chat. Discord will often generate a nice preview for the link too. Another great option is using a service like WetTransfer or Wormhole, which allows you to send massive files that disappear after a set amount of time. These methods are completely legal and ensure your files arrive safely every single time.